Hello guys, so we are here again with other activity like images at one side, and then we have alphabet on the other side. Same way we have some cards. So the activity is like we need to match the image, and then we need to see like what is the alphabet. So in the card we have capital alphabets, and here we have small alphabets. Okay, so just first match with the image. Yeah, yes, see. So what is that? And just see what is the letter. Capital A. So where is the small letter A? There is. So just place it here. So in this way your kid will be able to associate capital letter with the small letters. So let's do it again for other A you have identified. Now do it for other image. Yeah, just see the image. What is the image? Butterfly. Butterfly is from letter. This is from which letter? Letter B. Show me the letter B. Yes. And where's the letter B here in the card? Yeah, keep it here. Okay, like this. Yes. So small letter B looks like this, and the capital letter B look like this. Okay, so next image. Let's do it for the next one.
This one?
What is this? What is this image?
Ladybird?
I think it's a mushroom.
Yeah.
So mushroom is from letter? Yummy mushroom. So mushroom is from the letter M.
Yeah, this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see the vegetable.
See how easily he is able to identify the small letter and a capital letter. Like they can associate. So it's very nice activity. Do you like this activity?
Yeah.
Okay, do it for other image now. What is the other image?
Snail. This way.
Yeah. What is this?
Look like a snail.
It's a caterpillar.
Yeah.
Caterpillar is from letter C.
Yeah, right there.
So we have to identify the small c. Okay, put it. Oh,
Doing wrong.
yeah, you're doing wrong. Yes, now it's correct. Very nice. So now for the next image we have this. Try to arrange it.
What is this pink wing? What is
Flower.
flower? Oh yes.
I think you're placing it wrong. Yes, now it's looking good. It's a flower. Flower is from letter F.
Doing wrong.
Yeah, you also know you're doing wrong. Yes, now it's correct. So, next image is of this. Please match it.
Who?
What is this image? Oh, it's a pond. Water pond. So, you just need to see like what is the letter?
P.
Okay. So, match it with the small letter P. Do it in a right way. Okay. So, do you like the activity so far?
Yeah.
So say bye bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
And
Subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel.
see you next time.
Bye-bye.